Hi there, welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. My name is Kathy. Today I'm going to show you how to do a couple of really quick and inexpensive Christmas crafts for, I don't know, I got probably $5 or $6, maybe $7 into the whole thing. Part of the reason I have a couple of dollars more into it is because we're moving and all of my craft supplies are packed. So I'm going to show you how you take these or actually I have 4 of them. Take these houses from Dollar Tree, give them a little snow blizzard effect, and make yourself a new little house. I also took a snowflake from Dollar Tree, decorated both sides. If you want to know how to do this with your kids or your grandkids, stay tuned. These little houses were just too bright for the winter wonderland look that I am going for. I just took the Dollar Tree stencil brush, a little of the Dollar Tree white acrylic paint, and dabbed it over the entire house. Here I'm showing you a half and half picture of the difference it really makes. They really look like they've been through a blizzard, don't you think? I took this 3-pack of glitter glue from the Dollar Tree and using the silver outlined all of the doors and windows, giving it that glistening effect. I really think it made a big old difference. I absolutely love these things and wish I could have styled them and shown you a little bit better, but everything is packed. For the next DIY, I'm making the snowflake and using the gold to outline the snowflake. Please feel free to do any kind of design you like. The sky is the limit because that's where the snowflakes come from. This was just easy for me to throw out and show you the effect. If you make a mistake, grab yourself a toothpick and try to fix it. But let me tell you, I have found the glue will not show up afterwards. So really concentrate on pushing all the glitter to where you want it to be. After it dries, your mistake will be fixed. I then used the silver and did the other side. I really hope you've enjoyed these quick, easy, and affordable DIYs. I'm wishing you all a happy holiday. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so now. And if you liked the video, please share it with a friend.